is more special than giving someone a bouquet of springtime flowers? Baking them a bouquet of springtime flowers. First, cupcakes. Creaming the butter and the sugar always makes things so much lighter and fluffier. Eggs are liquid and butter is fat, and those two are not best friends, which means I need to add my eggs really slowly to let them incorporate a little bit better. The secret to a silky smooth batter and therefore a better cupcake is no lumps. So dry stuff goes in little by little too. For more moisture and just a little touch of tanginess, yogurt. Milk for more moisture. Yeah, I'm halfway to cupcakes. Now to get all of my cupcakes exactly the same size, ice cream scoop. Just 2/3 full. The key is not to overfill them because these babies are gonna grow. Although cupcakes themselves are pretty great, this is about something much bigger. A bouquet of cupcake flowers, and for that, I need buttercream. Is great consistency for piping. See? Not too stiff, not too loose. I want to recreate these beauties out of this humble buttercream. And to do that, I need a little bit of help from my food coloring. These flowers smell so good, but these flowers are gonna taste so good. I cannot wait to show you how. I'm making desserts inspired by spring, and you will not believe this one until you see it. A bouquet of cupcake flowers. Now I've filled my piping bags with buttercream, except for the last one. This is gonna be my hydrangeas. So there are a few different colors going on in hydrangea, and to do that, I start with a little food coloring just swirled on the inside of the piping bag. Now for my purple icing, I'm gonna try and get it in there, but just on the edges of the bag. This is eventually gonna mean that the tips of my petals are purple, but the inside is white. Last but not least, white on the inside. Now I just have to squeeze until I get the look I want. Here comes the blue. Now I've got the white, so I'm ready to go. All I need to do are tiny kisses. Isn't that cute? That is thanks to my tiny star tip. Now for the rose. This one's called a closed star tip. The trick for the rose is to start from the inside and keep the tip nice and low. I can't even tell which is which. Same thing for the yellow roses. And last but not least, daisies. For this one, I've got two steps. I'm gonna do the petals, and then I'm gonna do the center. And believe it or not, petals are made with the petal tip. It's really easy, watch. For the center, I've got the grass tip. This needs to be a bouquet. For that, I've got a nice big vase, some cute tissue paper, and styrofoam ball. Find it in any craft store. Now these cupcakes are not gonna stay on by themselves. I need some skewers. Now the only thing missing is a little bit of foliage. And I want to cover up the spaces that are left. So the person who gets this is going to have to really be worth the effort. They will never forget it. Give me food over flowers any day. that is divine. And this is flower power.